Here we have a 2026 Chevy Silverado. It's 1500 custom with the 2.7 four-cylinder turbo. Customer just wants to wake it up a little bit, so everybody should know what it sounds like stock, but we'll show you a little before and after. We're going to take the factory muffler off, just leave the rest of it stock. Don't want to have a check engine light or anything come on. We're going to leave it all factory emissions, which we always do. We're going to put a Magnaflow wide open straight through. It's the part number 11229. For those that want to know, just give it a little bit of tone. Nothing too loud. Let's see what it sounds like before we do anything to it. Get a little closer here. Doesn't have a whole lot of sound, of course. We're going to wake it up just a little bit, so just want to show you a little before and after. So we'll get back to you. Okay, so we're going to let you take a look now that we have installed the Magnaflow muffler. Should just give it a little bit more of a tone. Customer doesn't want it too loud. You're going to hear the turbo a little bit more rumble, especially when you step on it. So let's see what it sounds like now. You can hear that turbo a little bit. Couldn't hear that at all before. Turbo's working. It's pulling up good. All right, we'll do a little walk around outside. Sounds pretty good.